Oh, okay. Sorry, boleh. Sekejap. Okay. Okay, so up to this week or chapters, okay, we should be able to identify the main 7P, okay, the main 7P that exists in the services marketing, exists in the services marketing. So we have settled, okay, we have settled P. Okay, the first P. So everything start with the products. Okay, everything start with the products. Okay, what as what I showed just now, and a brief explanation on how to do the group assignment. Okay, brief explanation on how to do the group assignment. So everything start with the product. Without product, there is no price for the service. Okay, so without product, there is no place to sell the service. Yep. And of course, without product, there is no platform to promote the service. So basically, product is the heart of the marketing. Okay, you want to sell the product, right? But you have to confirm, you have to ensure that you have the sufficient understanding about the detail of the product. Okay, detail of the products. Okay, out of the 7P, okay, lagi tu process, physical environment, and then people. Okay, right now we are in promoting service and educating customer. Okay, what what you have learned, kenapa tu? Okay ke? There was problem. Restart transcription again. Record dah. Jangan tak record. Record. Jangan tak record pula. Nanti sekejap. Menakutkan bunyi-bunyi dia ni. Alright. Okay. To differentiate, okay, the promotion itself from the context of the tangible product and intangible product. Okay, intangible product is the service itself. Okay, tangible product is the service itself. So it appear, okay, appearing is appear and exist, wujud saja. Okay, if you are promoting a tangible product, this is the concept, a brief concept, yeah, in promotion. If you are promoting a tangible product, okay, there is no terms of educating customers. Okay, there is no terms in educating customer. Okay, the terms educating customer only exist in the service context. Okay, the obvious reason, obvious reason is because of the intangibility of the service, because of the abstractness concept, too abstract, too too difficult to be understand, too hard to be understand. The concept is like invisible. Again, how do we promote the benefits of the insurance? Again, how do we promote the benefits of the life insurance? Well, life insurance ni kita beli waktu kita, when we realise, oh tak boleh cakap bahasa Melayu ni, dia cakap bahasa English. Dia kata, English please madam. I pun macam, okay, English lah. Right. How do we, as a marketer or seller or sales executive, we want to sell a life insurance to the customer, okay, to the potential customer. Okay, getting to know the nature of the life insurance. You tahu life insurance ni kita beli when we realize, when I die, you start, okay, the sentence. Okay, the sentence start with, when I die, who's gonna pay all my debts? When I die, okay, what will happen to my family? When I die, who's gonna pay for monthly installment for my car and house? That is the fear mongering. That is the fear mongering. Again, life insurance dia ada lagi hibah tak hibah, medical card come with the hibah plan. So that is an somehow kan, kau sihat elok-elok hidup kan, kau sihat dia hidup, tiba-tiba orang nak macam fear monger you, menakut-nakutkan. tiba-tiba kan. That is the abstractness tu. Okay. It's a bit difficult to be visualized because we haven't done yet. But the way we tackle of the abstractness is a fear mongering, with the exception of the what if, what if, what if, kenapa tiba-tiba macam tu kan. That is okay, in the term of educating customer, okay, of the product nature. Okay, the product nature. Baru mula ya. Okay, common word 5 Ws of the service marketing communication. Okay, service marketing communication. Yalah, benda-benda ni lah. Ya, benda-benda ni lah. Okay. The reason why we must do promotion. Okay, promotion is to communicate. Okay, communication is to promotion, okay, is the basic word. Basic word is to communicate. Okay, to communicate. Okay, normally people don't buy the service or the product that they don't familiar with. Okay, they don't familiar with. So at the first place, we have to ensure that the customer is familiar enough with our product and our service brand. So everything start with the prospect. Prospect is the potential customer. Ini kita punya ni. Okay, getting to know who is your prospect. Prospect is apa? Prospect ni siapa? User ni. This one is existing users or employees. Because you are going to train your employee on how to educate the customers about the service. Okay, about the service. Tengok ni. Chapter 2 kan, macam you buat tu kan. 3-stage model of the service consumption. Tiga kan, pre, encounter and post. So every level, okay, will require a different marketing, different communication strategy. Okay, different communication strategy. Kan? Kenapa tu? Yalah, before customer purchase the service, you have to expose the customer. Okay, you have to expose the customer the maximum awareness. Yep. After they're aware, and then they know. After they know, they start to dig in the product information. After they start to dig in and search this product information, then only they come out with a process to shorten or to list the preference service brand. After that, then only they do the price, the product purchase decision based on their budgets. So dia takkan tiba-tiba bangun hari ni nak pergi beli brand yang dia tak pernah beli. This is the basic call that basic action on how we project, on how we focus the customer behavior. Okay, customer behavior. Okay, you have to expose whatever social media right now. Okay, I'm not saying that social media is the ultimate social media is the ultimate one and only source nowadays to promote, to communicate with the potential customer. But okay, considering, kenapa nak fokuskan social media je? Considering okay, the routine usage of the customer right now. So every single day we are using the social media to retrieve the information. So kita akan follow the customer pool. Okay, the larger the customer, okay, the larger the potential customer, the larger the possibility of potential customer to be your customer. The larger the potential customer, kan, the larger the possibility for you to reach them to be your customer. Bila pool tu besar, kan, So this is chances. This is the chance, opportunity for our marketers to approach them. Sebab kita kena follow the customer. Okay, I will follow you. Wherever you go. This is the rule of the marketing. Okay, kita tak simply targets. Hari ni kita nak jual kat dia ni, tak. No, you have to know the product to suit with whom, who's gonna buy, what is their level of income, yep, where is their physical location. Satu, yeah, and they actively use the social media as a platform to retrieve the information. So tu you tengok right now, okay, even most of the banking, they have come up with with their media social account. Mesti ada. Kalau tak ada, such a loss. Okay, because you are approaching the customer. Kan? You is the way to approach the customer. Customer can easily reach you. So you will keep them engaged with you. Yeah. Okay. X, okay, X application. Lagi you ada apa? Facebook mention dapat. Okay, mention. Cik, mohon DM kami. Kan? Untuk mendapatkan klarifikasi. Mohon DM. So it is a direct approach. Okay, personalized approach. Okay, that's the basic thing lah. It is a basic thing. Okay, dah saya pula. Important role for service marketing communication. Tadi dah cakap, right? Promote tangible clues to communicate quality. Add value through communication content. Facilitate customer involvement in service production and promote contribution of the service personnel and the stage operation. Satu, you tengok promotion communication. Okay, satu, okay. The first thing come first. If we want to inform, the objective of doing promotion, kan, the idea, number satu. Why we have to spend a cost? Why we have to spend the expenses for a promotion? Ini satu, katanya justify kat boss, kan. Number one, boss, okay, people won't buy a service or product that they don't familiar with. So we should fund our promotion activities. The first thing come first is to inform them. If they feel informed, then only we can persuade them. Number satu, inform. Number dua, persuade. Kita approach, you want to persuade. Number three is to remind them of our brand. Then only we can keep engaged with the customer. Okay, marketers, they do not spend. They refuse to spend. KRM, they refuse to spend for the to find a new customer. Okay, which they rather to spend. Okay, on the promotional, even a promotional program to their existing customer, because they make the thoroughly comparison between spending costs to gain for a new customer or to retain for a new customer, which one is more valuable and cost saving to the company. Okay, surprisingly, not chasing the new customer, okay, we choose to retain our existing customer. Existing customer, they get familiar with the brand, with the service experience, and with the whole system of the service. So you can skip. Okay, you can skip. You can skip the first role is to inform. Just maintain. Okay, just maintain to persuade and to remind. Okay, content on how to inform. Okay, on how to inform is not similar on the content on how to persuade. Content how to persuade is not similar with the content on how to remind them. Ini tiga rules. From the three reason, okay, from the three roles, then only you zoom, you highlight, okay, on to promote tangible clues. This one is to promote tangible clues to communicate quality. This one you want to inform to them. This is our quality. Okay, up to this level. Okay, this is our backstage, because maybe the involvement is only limited up to the front stage. Okay, service center kan letak video. Okay, ni tengah buat kerja, tengok. Okay, that one is to inform. Okay, add value through communication content. This one is to persuade. Okay, to persuade and to remind the customer about our service. Yeah, okay. This one, number three, facilitate customer involvement in service production. This one is to inform. So we have upgraded, okay, our menu. We have upgraded our enhancing services. We are upgraded our facilitating services with the added value, but with a minor changes in terms of the price. This one, you want to manage customer expectation of the pricing increment. Facilitate is to inform. Yeah, facilitate is to inform. And okay, the next one is to promote the contribution of the personnel, service personnel and backstage of operation. Sama juga. Okay, this one is to inform. And this one is to inform. So when you inform, okay, the higher expectation will be the higher awareness. The more the higher the awareness, so the more the acceptance towards to try the new service, the new brand. So tiga you tengok dalam communicating, service communicating. Whether the content, whether the tools, whether the content is designed to inform, to persuade, nak bujuk orang beli ni. Bukan senang ni, susah. And then to get engaged with them is to remind. Get somehow there is a service, okay, Petronas, there is service content promotion is not persuading customer, rather than to remind the customer. Macam Christmas advertisement, kan, Selamat Hari Raya, but small logo kat situ. That one is to remind that we you know, we aware you are celebrating this kind of the festival, blah 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 blah. So we would like to wish you. We exist in your life in matter of regardless of this one and it's this one. So that is to remind the customer. Tapi dia tak promote easily. Buy this one, buy this one. No, that is not our purpose. Okay, this is not our purpose. Okay, faham tak? Ke susah? Okey tak? Ataupun susah?
Tak dapat bayangan lagi, madam, tapi faham.
Tak dapat bayangan lagi, faham. Okay, alright, tak apa, follow je ya. Alright. Okay, okay, ini yang masalahnya ni. Okay, we want to communicate. Okay, we want to communicate content tu. Okay, service content tu, kan? Service content tu based on the four problem ni is because of the intangibility ni. Intangibility ni maksudnya is meaning you cannot touch, you cannot feel because it is intangible. Okay, number satu, generality. Okay, item comprised of class of object, person or event. Okay, the close example that I can share with you is flight. You fly. Okay, you fly. First class, business class, and economic class. Okay. How do we shape a communication content, a promotion content to differentiate? Okay, this is a first class services. This is the business class, and this is the economic class. It happen that it's just the same flight. Okay, bringing the passenger from Kuala Lumpur to Heathrow, UK, London. Kan? Itulah generality. General is too general to describe. Satu. Okay. Non-searchability. Okay. Non-searchability. Cannot be searched or inspected. Cannot be searched or inspected before purchase. Okay. So the benefits of the service, okay, the benefit of the service can be can be experienced right after they use the service. Sebelum tak boleh. Kan macam dia kata, okay, London Wage Management. This is okay, this is our service, okay? Losing program. Fat, lemak-lemak jahat, kan dia kata. So this kind of the experience, the customer cannot feel and the customer cannot see, cannot imagine themselves if they do not undergo that kind of the weight management program. Kan? So how to overcome the non-searchability problem dalam servis ni? Normally, we do before and after, okay, before and after comparison. Kan? Macam specialist tu, apa? Dr. Ku lagi UR Clinic tu, kan, UR Clinic tu. Dia ada before and after comparison. Tu saya kata nak cepat kaya, jual lah woman based service or product, because kita ni is more sympathized than a man, kan. Dia nak macam putih tu cantik je. Putih tu cantik ya, cantik tu putih, cantik itu kurus, kan, gitu kan. That is the general, we call it general assumption, kan. So how to tackle this kind of the problem? Normally we do the direct comparison before and after. Yeah. Number 2. Okay. Nanti saya tunjuk contoh, okay. Abstractness, macam saya kata, abstractness. No one correspondent with the physical object. How you gonna convince your prospect client, okay, on 100,000 ASB loan investment using the Maybank rather than RHB? Mana ada? Investment is the intangible thing. Mana dapat? Tak dapat. Not right after you pay, okay, then you have to wait and you see the growth. But there are a lot of parameter, there are a lot of factor can influence the growth of the investment. But still, there is no one-to-one corresponding, tak ada direct with the physical object. There is no physical object. Ini susah ni. Kan, semua ni saya bagi contoh ni servis ya. Mental impalpability. Customer find it hard to grasp the benefits of complex multi-dimensional of new offering. This one is reflecting the new offering. Can before upgraded. Okay, we question. Dah ada Maybank to you. Why do we have new upgrade to the new Maybank to you? Kenapa? Kita kata malas lah. So we have a reluctant to change because the change is not easy. Okay, the change is not easy. So we cannot grasp it. Tak boleh nak bayang benda tu. To what extent benda ni will make a difference? Sama dengan bank Islam. To what extent they think the upgrades can ease us as the customer? Itu susah lah. Kan? I think up to this level, kalau bank Islam pun dia belum ada specific call that. For me, they don't have a specific or convincing communication content, you know, to tackle this thing. Inilah problem dalam servis ni. Problem dalam servis ni. Nanti siap saya present benda lain ya. Macam mana kita nak explain ke orang kan? Right? For example, generality. Okay, another example. A health insurance provider offer multiple plan under level comprehensive coverage. Customer may struggle to differentiate one plan benefits from other, leading to confusion about the plan was needed. Because sama brand offered hibah plan, kan? Same, it's just the same thing. What make it different is just a brand. Which one is much more valuable for me? So that is the generality. Susah kan? Okay, non-searchability. A customer considering luxury spa cannot physically experience by the masyarakat. Still, this one they must rely on the review, previous review, testimonial, word of mouth, which not capture the experience. Actually non-searchability. Saya bagi apa nama Abila satu brand ni, kan? Abila satu brand ni, apa nama tu? Hanan Mini Spa. Saya kata I would like to challenge myself to experience to what extent they can provide such for me is quite low treatment price for that kind of the treatment muka kan. Starting dia kata bermula dengan RM70. This is try saya reply message tu. Guess what happened? Okay, guess what happened? Dia kata sampai je dekat kaunter kan, dia kata sini. Tapi dah bayar dah RM30 tu. Okay, because you need for you to secure the booking, you need to pay RM70 first. Bayar. Bila bayar, then only they slot, they book you the slot. Okay, with the expectation when I enter the spa, okay, the spa, they will start the treatment. So what happened? Dia kata, oh ini bayar RM70 dia kata kak. So kalau kak tambah RM20 lagi, we can add apalah massage apa semua kan. Lepas tu dia kata, oh kalau tak nak, dia kata, saya kata kalau tak nak, dia kata dia kata tak boleh. Dia kata tak boleh. Dia kata akak kena tambah RM30 untuk massage tu, then baru dia complete. Kalau tidak akak tak akan nampak the actual effects of the treatment dekat muka. Dia kata. Tu saya fikir, oh my god, I'm trapped. Okay. So the actual price is not RM70. The actual price is the 100. Memang pun. Oh, kan? So memang pun. So that is one of the, because customer they make an efforts to block their time. Okay. Manage pakai muka dia bayar slot, and then to walk in to the spa. Takkanlah you nak terus kata kita saya cancel lah. Dia kata akak kalau akak cancel RM70 tu kita cancel ya kak. Oh, kan? Saya kata this one, oh my god, I'm trapped. So this one is spark on the non-searchability. Service cannot be inspected, tried or reviewed before the purchase. Tapi tak adalah rasa macam cantik sangat lepas keluar tu tak. Just to explore to what extent you can provide me such a lower price, okay, by manipulating the chances. Abila. Okay lah, problem. The service cannot, this one. Ni baru problem ya. This one baru problem ya. Service cannot have tangible counterpart, making it harder to visualize. Visual, susah because of the, okay, peace of mind of the financial future, the concept of the abstract. Envision of the benefits, saya kata. Okay, investment of the 100,000, ASB loan, with adding up the dividends. Dia tak susah lah. You want to explain to the customer, susah. Okay, susah this one. This one is also susah. Customer struggle to understand the benefits of the complex or novel series. Okay, susah. Cloud computing services. If you are not familiar with it, it's gonna be harder for you. Okay. For example, you want to approach SME. Dekat ni bagus untuk buat data management. Akak kena upgrade akak punya Google Drive. Dia kata, Google Drive tu apa dia? Dah susah. Dia tak boleh bayar. This is the problem. Okay, this is a problem. Okay, in visualize the intangibility of the service. Okay, how to address? Ini dia bagi example. Okay. To address this kind of the intangibility in service, okay, generality, use case study, example, testimony. Biasa testimony. Kalau tadi dalam kapal terbang tu, you use the content to clearly differentiate between full service, okay, full service, first class, business class, economic class. Yeah. Okay, to differentiate and clarify. Okay. And then non-searchability, you have to offer a free trials to the customer, like how they track me. Okay, free trial with a lower price or with a money back guarantee. Tak adalah akak rasa ingat sikit tak muka lepas buat treatment dengan kami. Hello, don't try to make me fool. Kan? So that is the first and last time I went to try that kind of the brand. Malah dah saya. Okay, right. Abstractiveness, okay. Leverage metaphor, infographic and tangible tools. Okay. Award. We are the most leading insurance company in Malaysia. The most infographics to enhance the strength or the stability of their offering. Right. Okay. Mental impalpability. Simplify communication with analogies. Clear FAQ. Okay. Frequent ask question or interactive demos recorded. I need address. Okay. Address. Okay. Okay tak so far? Clear tak?
Faham madam.
Boleh tak? Sikit-sikit.
Baru tadi orang kena scam dengan salon.
Salonnya. Okay, right. Itu Hana Medispa. Dah sebut dah. Aduh. Kan? Itu Hana Medispa. Aduh. Alah tu dah sebut. Alright. Okay. Ini dah tadi kata non-searchability. Consumption documentation. Alah sekarang senang. Part by part. Dia record je. Dia record je. Okay, dia record je. Alright. Yeah. The hardest bukan the hardest lah. Kita hardest lah. Nanti kejap lah. Nanti kejap saya cut call dia. Nanti kejap lah. You tengah kelas. Telefon balik Okay, bye-bye. Okay, bye. Okay, the hardest part in this chapter, right? The hardest part in this chapter is only to understand kat sini ni. Kat sini. Kat sini. Communication of the intangibility. Kalau products, if product you can display tau benda ni. Display. Because of the tangibility. Service you nak display apa? Tak. Service you nak display apa? Yeah. Example. How to explain this part in the group assignment? Okay. How display? For example, you use bank. Mana Echah? Echah dah ada. Echah dah masuk dah Echah? Echah dah masuk Echah? Echah tak masuk. Ain, kenapa Ain? Ain group dengan Echah ke? Ain group dengan Echah ke? Tertekan. Jangan tertekan. Susah pun jangan tertekan. Tertekan. Tak apa. Biasa. Tekan. Okay. Siapa group dengan Echah? Belum pilih lagi. Kan? Apa group dengan Echah? Belum pilih lagi. Tak? Right. This is the hardest part. Okay. This is the hardest part in this chapter. Okay. Challenges of service communication on how to address. Okay, on how to address. Up to this level, I don't think that upgrades of the Bank Islam will be delivered successfully to the user. Sebab we are still wondering to what extent the improvement can ease the usage of the customer. Kan? Benda tu lah. Yeah. Okay. Okay, entering the next topics ni. Okay, service marketing mix. This is the thing that mingle around. Okay, mingle around mingle around us as the customer. Okay, normally we do advertising, sales promotion, personal communication, publicity and public relations, service delivery point, and corporate design. So all of this element is normally utilized by the service company. Biasa dia buat lah. Biasa dia buat. We enhance by the digital marketing. Okay. Tengok. This one I go fast. This one I go fast because we We familiar with it. Okay, we familiar with it. Kita ada apa ni? Marketing communication channel, advertising, okay, direct marketing, sales promotion, personal selling and public relation, and then service delivery channel. This one is controlled by the service itself, service outlet, frontline employee as well. Okay, service delivery, point, website, social media page and apps. Okay, and corporate design. Okay, message largely outside control. Ni internal you can shape the content. Outside organization you cannot control the word of mouth. Okay, for example, good or positive or negative review you cannot control. Okay, positive and negative review. Social media, yes, individual social media. Okay, this one, not corporate social media. Okay, media initiated coverage in online media, books, live, apa dia, podcast, review, ya, program dia, video. Okay, media initiated coverage in traditional media. Traditional. Okay, this one is based on printed media. So this is our targets audience. Okay, normally. Ui, okay. Traditional ya. Okay, traditional ya. This one, advertising, direct marketing, sales, promotion, personal selling and public relation. Okay, okay. The main use of the advertising is to build awareness. Okay, advertising. This one I go fast. Okay, direct marketing. Okay, for example, mail, spam filter, pop-up blockers, and podcasting. Still, this one is with the assistance of the technology. Kalau dia traditional direct marketing, they use the printed one, which is this one is limited access to the customer. Okay. You rasa email marketing ni, kan? You rasa email marketing ni is effective or not you know, in promoting service or product to the customer? What do you think? Email marketing. Email marketing. Effective or not? No. In promoting or communicating with the customer. What do you think? Effective tak email marketing ni? What do you think? Atau you tak rasa apa-apa?
Kalau pasal kita nak promote produk guna email, saya rasa tak berapa efektif. Kalau macam contoh promote program yang kita tawarkan, mungkin efektif sebab untuk kerja-kerja
Kan? Okay. Betul. Okay. For me, okay, a medium to what call that? A medium or a platform to determine whether this platform is effective or not. It depends on the objective you set. Maknanya if you want to create the awareness macam Shopee 12 kan, dia dah digital tau. Bila dah digital, the only way they can reach customer is by email. Customer tak not scrolling the apps all the time, tapi customer are checking the email hari-hari. So if to increase the awareness, yes. But to persuade, tu saya kata tu tiga dalam promotion ni. To inform, to persuade or to remind. Tu kan kita kata, to that extent. Banyak kita. But if for app-based marketing, kan, mana dia buat terus, kan, from the email revert to the apps. So email is the bridge to the apps. The customer, dia will lead customer to open the apps. Kan, tiba-tiba tengok ada kupon Zeus 20%. Oh, itu trigger. Because of the discount. Itu trigger. Oh, kan. Susi, Adman, on demand technology. Itu trigger tu. The word promotion tu, we are triggered by the word promotion. Because the expectation in our mind, Promotion, price cut, price cut, price cut, price cut. Murah, murah, murah. You see, this is the function. Kan? Kita mesti triggerednya. Triggered, mesti nak buat. Oh, tunggulah nanti dia hantarkan. Oh, how do we know how long should we wait? Sampai masuk email. 10%, terus nak beli. Kan, terus nak beli ni. Sampai dia jadi habit. Zeus. T-Life. Kan, T-Life. Dia monitoring kalau dia ada apps dia lekat kat you punya handphone tu, kan increase the impulse buying tu. Oi, terus nak ikat, nak clear cache apa semua tu kan. Oh, itu memanglah. Ada? Kan? Oh. Okay? Bagi menarik kat sini. Sales promotion, yep. Communication that comes with the end incentive. Saya tak rasa pun harga Zeus sampai RM12.19. I don't think so. Okay. I think the actual price, bila sebut nama brand decoded pula dah. Habis aku dah. Oh, kena brand saja tak. This one is for educational purposes. I'm not promoting, just sharing the content for the education purpose. Bila habis ni. Jangan nak ikut-ikut dah. I think when I calculate berapa je cost buat air tu. Yeah. If they can offer you buy one free one, how much do you think the actual cost? Apa je. You know? Apa je. To that extent, okay, the power of the sales promotion ni. Price come with an incentive. Incentive mesti ada price cutting dia. Mesti ada price cutting. Ada price cutting. Ada. Sales promotion macam yang rebate kami percuma. Macam saya pergi kat sebut lagi Medispa tu dah. Pergi pingin tambah RM30. Ada. Okay. Itulah kan. We are triggered to try because we want to justify this is promotion and this is the promotion. Okay. Personal selling, this one-to-one. Normally macam approach, okay, you want to sell the life insurance. Life insurance lagi medical insurance hibah, that one is they don't work with the price or incentive cutting. No, absolutely not. They don't work with that. But it work with the personal selling. Okay, personal selling, one-to-one. Right, one-to-one. Tak ada. Okay, tak ada. Public relation. Ada public relation. Press conference, new release, sponsorship. This one is to create the higher awareness. Mesti nak create the higher awareness so that we are, as a potential customer, we aware. This kind of initiative done by this kind of the company. So we aware this kind of the brand. This one is to remind the existing customer, okay, about the engagement. Okay, engagement brand with the customer. This one is to engage, okay, to remind. Company website. Okay, company website. Company website can be to inform or to remind, not to persuade, because it's just one-way communication. Okay, one-way communication. Okay, one-way communication. This one. Okay. Kalau advertising build awareness, it can be like macam direct comparison boleh lah to persuade. This one can hit trade. Okay, to inform, to persuade, or to remind. Okay, remember. Alright. Direct marketing. This one. But to persuade can, but it's a bit lower. It's more to inform. Okay? It's more to inform. To remind as well can, but the main objective is to inform. If we have a plan, changes promotion Asia, okay, to navigate the customer further search to the apps. You masuk dalam apps, so definitely you will scroll all the notification. Oh, mesti nak scroll punya. Okay. Sales promotion, definitely they try to persuade. Ini dia punya anchor ni. Okay. Dia punya anchor. Okay, anchor. Personal selling, yes, to educate. Satu, to educate, to inform, and to persuade. Okay, to persuade. Okay. Public relation is to remind. Okay, public relation is to remind. Company website is to inform and to remind. Okay, to inform of the to the customer. Sebab dia tak ada follow up punya communication. Unless they have email and the chat room. Chat. Kalau HSBC punya, what call that? HSBC punya apps dia ada two-way communication. That one center apps. Senang. Online advertising. On what year kita guna Yahoo, tak guna Yahoo dah ya. Banner advertising. But yes, this is can be used as just to increase the awareness. Boleh lah pop up. Okay. Online advertising. Okay. Using SEO, search engine optimization. Okay. Search engine optimization. Message transmit online. Okay. Online lagi apa lagi? Service outlet, this one can be through this one we focus on the physical outlet lah. Okay, physical outlet can be through banners, poster, signage, brochure and video screen. Okay, frontline employee when we reach when we reach people who will come us at the first entrance. Okay, self-service delivery point. Okay, this one advertisement. Okay, ATM vending machine and websites. Example, this one is service delivery channel. Apa lagi ada? Word of mouth. Okay, recommendation, positive or negative recommendation, review. Okay, recommendation, customer. Lagi blogs. Ada ke Twitter, X here. X apps. Okay, ada medias. Bagi budgets. Dah kot. Okay kot, I think that's all for these chapters. Yep. Okay. This is the further explanation from this lah. Untuk ni, this one nanti saya tunjuk. Okay, untuk this one lah. Okay, further explanation. Okay, any questions so far? Ada apa yang nak tanya? Nanti kejap saya stop. Saya stop recording.